guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Click the little bell, that way you never miss out on another hair video again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do a aloe vera deep conditioning hair mask, and the only thing you're going to need is aloe vera. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so basically all you're going to need is a scrunchie if you want to, a shower cap, or like a plastic bag, something to tie your hair up after you put the aloe vera on, because this is what is going to retain the heat of your scalp and like kind of warm up the aloe vera and just deep condition your hair the way that it needs to be. And then of course you're going to need aloe vera. Now if you want to, you can get aloe vera from your grocery store, or this is actually from my own plant in my backyard, but you can also get the aloe vera gel. Just make sure it is 100% pure aloe vera. You can get that at Walmart, Walgreens, Target, even Amazon. But I'm basically going to show you guys how I cut this and prepare it for my hair. This is super hot right now, like warm, because my plant is in the sun, and so the sun was just like blazing right on there. Okay, so here's my giant piece of aloe vera. I don't think that I'm going to use all of it. I'm just going to be using about half of it, or not even half of it, but I'm just gonna cut a little bit right here. And be careful when you're doing this, because the little thorny sides on the aloe vera is super sharp. So what you want to do is cut those off first before you work with this, so that it doesn't like poke you or cut your arm. And also be careful when you are cutting aloe vera, because it is slippery, it's super slimy, so you want to just be careful. Basically what I do is I slice it like that, just so it's easier for me to slice it from the middle like this, and that's how I get the gel out. So all that sliminess right there, I don't know if you guys can like see that slimy part, but that's what I'm going to be putting onto my hair. I'm just going to be like scraping this off and putting it on my hair. So one way you could do it is to like just grab a bunch of the slimy stuff on your hands, and then you can just start applying it, which is it's an easier way. It is kind of messy, but you could definitely do it that way. Or something that I like to do is kind of like poke holes in there like that. I just poke it, and then I'll just start to rub that onto my hair. And so you can see a lot of gel coming out, and then you can just apply that onto the hair. And the reason that I love using aloe vera is because it puts back so many nutrients into my hair, like so much of what I need, it puts it back into the hair. It brings a lot of life back into my hair. It makes my hair shiny again, and like it's really good for treating split ends and dandruff, and also like itchy, flaky scalp. It's really good for so much. And it's natural, so you're not putting any kind of chemical in your hair, and yet you're still deep conditioning it and fixing so many hair issues with just aloe vera alone. So already with one leaf or one little piece, my hair is like halfway coated. So a little bit of aloe vera goes a long way, and basically I just like to like scrape it out with my fingernails and just apply it. It's really easy to apply, but I do feel like if you guys want to get the gel, that will be much easier, because you don't have to go through all this work. But for me, I like to use the one that I have at home just because it's free. Once your hair is nicely coated and slimy with the aloe vera, I'm going to show you guys what I do next. I just put my hair up into a bun, like a loose bun, and then I put one scrunchie around it. I'm going to put it up very loosely, and I'm going to take a shower cap and I'm going to put that on there. So after I put it in the shower cap, I'm going to leave this on for about 2 to 4 hours, and then I'm going to wash it off with just regular shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the results. Hey guys, I'm back. So it is now the next day, and my hair has been washed, conditioned, and air dried, and this is the final results. Basically what happened is that my texture came back, my color just got refreshed and like made, you know, brighter. Another thing, this deep conditioning is very, very gentle and soft on your hair, so it's very good for color treated hair. As you can see, my hair is color treated, and it didn't affect the color at all. It actually just brought it out a lot prettier. I'm going to show you guys the back. So really quickly, I wanted to show you guys the back. My hair became really nice and soft and shinier, and the light bounces off of it really nicely. I can run my fingers through it, which is something I couldn't do before. I hope that this video helped you guys, and if you guys do end up trying this aloe vera deep conditioning hair treatment, then let me know in the comment section down below how it went. And if you guys are interested in more DIY hair masks and DIY face masks and how I cut my hair and how I color my hair, all that good stuff is on my channel, and I will link everything down below. And go ahead and browse through my channel and just watch whatever you're drawn to, whatever pops out at you. And subscribe if you haven't already, that way you're always notified. Click the bell, that way you're always notified of all the videos that I upload, and you'll never miss out another hair conditioning video again. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.